Have you ever stumbled upon a gaming keyboard that feels like pure precision? I don't know if you have, but I have with this Corsair K70 Pro RGB optical USB-C mechanical gaming keyboard. It boasts an aluminum frame, customizable RGB lighting, and lightning-fast optical switches for gaming perfection. I've been using it already for months and it's been a game changer. The keys are responsive and tactile, but there were minor cleanliness issues out of the box. Plus, it emits a ping or ringing sound on non-solid surfaces, which can be a tad annoying. But here's the deal. If you can overlook these quirks, especially when it's on sale, this keyboard is a gem. It's a fantastic addition to any gaming setup, offering precision, durability, and a mesmerizing light show.